Okay, I'm courting.
Screaming anyways.
Shy, look at me.
Hey,
Shy.
These are poor defenseless little
That's
animals.
right.
I don't care what they are. Ew, they look like slugs.
You want me to hold your hand? I feel like slugs too.
Hey!
Congratulations, you had a baby salamander. How was the labor?
The other one. There's another one in my shirt. I can't find it.
Careful.
Don't squish him.
Remember you guys were freaking out
Come here in
because
there.
Dustin stepped on one and broke his poor little arm.